Hi everyone, this is Sudeep from Techmania. This video is all about AJAX. Before starting with AJAX, we should know what exactly AJAX is. AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It is not a programming language. AJAX just uses a combination of first browser built-in XML HTTP request object to request data from server and second JavaScript HTML DOM to update page contents. Next to know is how does it works. This is whole mechanism of AJAX. When an AJAX event is triggered in browser, XML HTTP request object is created, an HTTP request is sent to server, via internet. In server HTTP request is processed, and response data is created for HTTP request which is further sent back to browser, via internet. Now, in browser return data is processed using JavaScript, and page contents are updated using JavaScript and HTML DOM. In this video, we are going to see two different methods for calling AJAX. So, let's get started with method first. for AJAX, in this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button for all latest updates. And like this video, if you have learned something new in this video. Next tutorial on this channel is about OOP in PHP. Up to that, bye to all, catch you soon, stay tough.